Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the News Hour at 9 and I'm Swati Joshi. The world stands with France as it is brutally targeted by Islamic terror, a term used by their President Emmanuel Macron. However, there are certain sections within India who, instead of condemning the gruesome murders and mindless violence in the name of religion, have not just justified but even incited Muslims to violence. While people stamped on posters of Macron in Mumbai, across in Bhopal, the Congress MLA mobilized a crowd of over 2,000 people and threatened to smash the face of the French president and also vowed to force him to read the Kalma. Listen to how venom dripped from the Congress MLA who incited violence against France and his president to the cheering crowd.
अगर हमारे बस में होता तो हम तेरा मुंह कुचल देते, हम तुझे बता। मैं इस सरजमी से ऐलान करता हूं फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति और फ्रांस के अखबार नवीसों, तुम्हें तुम्हारी जबान में सीरतुन नबी पढ़ने की कसम अगर पढ़ लो, तुम कलमा नहीं पढ़ लो तो मुझे आली पसूद मत देना, ये कहना चाहता। नबी की सीरत को तुमने नहीं पढ़ा इसलिए गुस्ताखी की है, लेकिन तुम्हें यह नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि उस नबी को चाहने वाले करोड़ों लोग अपनी जान की बचाने की बाजी लगाने के लिए आज़ाद हैं।
And while the Congress MLA Arif Masood incites violence in the name of faith in a secular country like India, the Gandhis have been conspicuously silent, fielding some of their lieutenants to duck and dodge some pointed questions, of course. There are takers in this country for the kind of language Arif Masood has used. Listen to what Abu Azmi said.
There have been a series of gruesome attacks in France, but we've seen the kind of protests that have happened in Mumbai, where Macron posters were pasted on the road. Does that mean the Congress is taking a different stand on terror?
Why? All kind of attacks, including attacking the French president for any such issue, is absolutely wrong. And there is no place for violence in our society. We condemn any kind of violence.
Sir, even in Bhopal, a Congress MLA has called for protests, anti-France protests, sir. So there we heard...
जो है हमारे धार्मिक लीडरों के खिलाफ ऐसी बातें अपमानित करके अपने आप को मशहूर करना चाहते हैं। और अगर आज टेररिज्म बढ़ रहा है तो उनकी वजह से बढ़ रहा है। मैं सबसे पहले उनको कंडेम करूंगा। कहते हैं जुल्म और नाइंसाफ़ी के खिलाफ आतंकवाद बढ़ता है। मैं गांधी जी का अनुयायी हूं, मैं सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का अनुयायी हूं। उन्होंने भी ब्रिटिश के सारे सामान का बाइकआउट किया था। आज उनका हम लोग उसी रास्ते पर चल करके फ्रांस का भी सामान का बाइकआउट करना चाहिए।
So while a very generic statement came in from Randeep Singh Surjewala, the Gandhis are absolutely silent. This leads to our legitimate question tonight. And the legitimate question for all those, in fact, who are opposing the French president is war on terror equal to Islamophobia? Let's open this up and go across to our guests with that very question.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Tonight, we're joined by Dr. Sambit Patra, national spokesperson of the BJP. Shehzad Poonawalla joins us on the broadcast. He's a lawyer, also an activist and a political analyst. Activist Sushil Pandit is also with us. Dr. T.A. Rahmani, national secretary of the SDPI, joins us along with Shadab Chauhan, spokesperson of the Peace Party. MC Abbas, an analyst. Amir Minto, founding member of the AMU Coordination Committee. Good evening to all of you. Let me first go across to Dr. Rahmani. Dr. Rahmani, there are just two options really tonight. The question is, which side will you choose? Are you going to condemn Arif Masood?
You see, the right of protest is not impeached in the country as of now. When it will be impeached, then the protest will be stopped. What is the harm if somebody is quoting Gandhi and on the Gandhian way, somebody is protesting
Gandhian way to
for
smash
their
somebody's
own
face. I haven't
viewpoint.
heard that about before.
Is it
before
a sin?
You just said it. I'm talking about Arif Masood.
No, if I don't agree something, don't I have a right? I cannot. Can I not enjoy my right to dissent, my right to protest?
Smash somebody's face. And to say that I'm taking a vow that I will force him to read the Kalma. Is that the Gandhian way, sir?
Pardon?
Is that the Gandhian way?
No, not at all. I'm not talking about it. It's a free country and everybody is free to read Kalma or not to read Kalma. chant Shri Ram or not to chant Shri Ram. This is an individual choice. Nobody can force.
You're not answering a
And we
very
don't
pointed,
approve, we don't
specific
endorse if
question that I'm
somebody said
asking you.
like this.
Are you tonight going to condemn what Arif Masood has said? He said, I'm going to smash the face of the French president.
Actually, I did not. I don't agree with such kind of any statement. But whatever the French president said, I condemn that.
What has the French president said, sir?
He tried to raise the Islamophobia in the country. He has blamed the Islam for radicalization, for terrorism, etc., etc.
So there's no etc., etc. I'm sure you've heard and read his statement. He gave a call against radicalism. He gave a call against what he calls is Islamic separatism.
It's
he said we won't bow down before terrorism. He also said let's not fall in the trap which has been laid down by the extremists to stigmatize all Muslims. What is derogatory in that?
He has used the word Islamic terrorism. He has used the word Islamic terrorism.
Separatism. He used the word Islamic separatism. His citizens are being beheaded, sir. Does he not have the right to assure the citizens of his country that he is going to wage a war against such extremism, against such terrorism?
Of the world. By enjoying his right to expression, he has insulted 25% population of the world. And everybody, you want to praise him, but the rest of the world is not praising him.
I want to understand. What I want to understand is what was so derogatory. What was so derogatory? His citizens are being murdered in broad daylight. They're being beheaded on the streets of his country. Does he not have the right to assure his citizens that he is going to wage a war against such extremism?
Of the French president, but you are not perturbed. This is the selectivity. You are perturbed on the criticism of the French president, but you are not perturbed whatever.
I am perturbed because of the sheer brutality
conducted by the same president.
I am perturbed by the sheer brutality.
Caricatures.
Are you, sir, justifying
caricatures?
Sir, are you justifying beheadings? Are you justifying beheadings? Charlie Hebdo, I'm sure you know, has published cartoons of Jesus as well. They weren't attacked, they weren't targeted, nobody was beheaded.
I condemn beheading. Without mincing words, I condemn beheading. But are you justifying to displaying those big caricatures, that insulting, offensive caricatures on the national buildings?
Condemn that. If you think your religious, if you think that your religious sentiments have been hurt because of that, condemn that, sir. Condemn that. But what are these kind of calls that are being given for people to mobilize and gather together and issue threats that we will smash the face of the French president?
You don't want to listen the words of condemnation. We are only condemning that. If it is hurting us, we are just expressing that we condemn, and we want to condemn in a democratic way, not in the way the Arif Masood did it. Not in the way
Shehzad Poonawalla wants to come in. Shehzad Poonawalla, what I want to understand here is what was so derogatory? Mr. You have a right. That's what I'm saying. You have a right to condemn. Go ahead and condemn. But I'm talking about all those calls that are being given and threats that are being issued. And you're saying what the French president said is not right, and he has. No, 1 second, sir. That's what I want to understand. That's the basic point of the entire debate. That's the basic point of the entire debate, Shehzad Poonawalla.
What is wrong if somebody uses the right to economic boycott?
Yeah, Mr. Rahmani, now don't behead me on the debate. Let me make my point. My name is Shehzad. Your name is Rahmani. Thank you. Swati, I'll just end with a 10-second intervention. Mr. Rahmani, no matter how offensive the cartoons are, do you think it is justified to murder somebody for a cartoon which may be most offensive? If you condemn terror, don't put condition, because conditional condemnation is no condemnation. I want to know your stand. Does any cartoon justify the beheading of a person? If that is so, then what should be done with MF Hussain if he were alive?
Unequivocally, we condemn. Unequivocally, we condemn the beheading. I said it
then
at
what
the
are you
outset.
protesting
I don't
about?
need to repeat it.
Then what are you protesting about? Then what are you protesting about? Then all these people protesting are
action taken
supporters
by
of
the French
terrorism.
president
They are
is
supporters
offensive.
of Taliban, not
I
terrorists.
appreciate,
They
Dr.
are
Rahmani, you're
supporters
saying
of
that you
Islamic
that you
State
condemn the
jihad.
beheading, that you do not support it in any which way. Let me also bring in Amir Minto. Amir Minto, अगर रेडिकलिज्म के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं फ्रेंच प्रेसिडेंट, उनको अधिकार नहीं है इस बात पर अपनी राय रखने का कि उनके देश के जो नागरिक हैं उनका सर काट दिया जा रहा है एक्सट्रीमिज्म के नाम पर, रेडिकलिज्म के नाम पर? उनको अधिकार नहीं अपने लोगों को अश्योर करने का कि हम टेररिज्म के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ेंगे? इस्लामोफोबिया ये कहां से हो गया? आमिर, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं अपनी बात रखें। चलिए, लग रहा है कि आमिर तक हमारी आवाज पहुंच नहीं पा रही। लेट मी गो अक्रॉस टू शादाब चौहान। शादाब चौहान जी, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, अगर रेडिकलिज्म टेररिज्म के खिलाफ इमैनुअल मैक्रों कह रहे हैं तो उसमें इस्लाम की उन्होंने कहां से मुखालफत कर दी है, या प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद के खिलाफ उन्होंने ऐसा क्या कह दिया है कि इतने सेंटिमेंट्स लोगों के हर्ट हो गए, और ये कहां से इस्लामोफोबिया हो गया?
मैडम, रेडिकलाइजेशन का मीनिंग हम लोग को समझना पड़ेगा। यू आर सेइंग दैट कि यू हैव टू फॉलो आवर आइडियोलॉजी एंड इफ यू डोंट फॉलो यू रेडिकलाइज, इट डजंट मीन। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सेइंग प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद इज द लीडर ऑफ यूनिवर्स एंड इफ यू टारगेटिंग लीडर ऑफ यूनिवर्स, वी कैन कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद आवर लाइफ बट डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद द रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ आवर बिलॉन्ग टू प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम एंड एनी कॉम वी कैन डू एनीथिंग।
Do anything? आप justify कर रहे हैं beheadings को? Are you justifying beheading?
What is this?
No, what do you mean by we will do anything? Are you justifying beheading?
Definitely, I am saying that if someone targets Shri Ram, if someone disrespects Shri Ram or Isa Masih, we will.
There is a connectivity issue. There is also a connectivity issue. I am not able to completely understand what you're saying. लेकिन अगर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि किसी हिंदू गॉड या गॉडेस के खिलाफ अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ होता, इस देश में ऐसी घटनाएं पहले हो चुकी हैं, कई लोगों ने कोर्ट का रुख किया है, सड़कों पर लोगों का गला नहीं काटा जा रहा है इस चीज के लिए, सड़कों पर लोगों का गला नहीं काटा जा रहा है। लेट मी ऑल्सो ब्रिंग इन डॉक्टर संबित पात्रा एंड देन आई विल ऑल्सो गो अक्रॉस टू MC Abbas. Now, this is very important what the French president has said. Many are completely choosing to ignore this. He said, our challenge is to struggle against the downward slide of some in the name of religion by ensuring that those who want to believe in Islam and are full citizens of our republic are not targeted. वो कहाँ ये बात कह रहे हैं कि आप सिर्फ हमारी आइडियोलॉजी को फॉलो कीजिए?
See, Swati, first and foremost, there's a famous saying, if you are justifying terrorism, you are in fact propagating terrorism. So all those who are justifying terrorism either this way or that way are in fact propagating terrorism. Number two, as far as France and its liberal ways are concerned, remember, be it Charlie Hebdo, be it the French ways, I mean, umpteen number of times they had caricatures on Jesus Christ, they had caricatures on number of nuns, etc. And as far as Hindu gods and goddesses are concerned, umpteen number of times you would have seen on the champagne bottles, champagne glass, door mats, Hindu gods and goddesses had been painted. We never beheaded anyone. Well, yes, we complained, we wrote letters, we had emails. We never beheaded anyone, number one. Number two, well, if you have a problem with the French way, don't go as a refugee to France. Seek asylum in Saudi Arabia. Seek asylum in Pakistan. Don't go to France and then what the Malaysian ex-Prime Minister had said, that French women are scantily clad, their culture is bad, and that's the reason as to why we have to teach them a lesson. So if French women are scantily clad, they bathe nude in beaches, as he said. So please don't go there. Don't go there as refugees. Go to some Islamic country as a refugee and stay there, enjoy there. Why should you go to France as a refugee? From Chechen, from Tunisia, from Syria,
MC Abbas,
and then behead people there, number one. Number two, as far as this feeling... Just a second. As far as...
Go ahead.
Abbas Bhai, I'll just complete in 10 seconds.
Sure.
Abbas Bhai, I'll just conclude in 10 seconds. As far as this feeling of Ummat is concerned, Sushil Pandit, a scholar is over here, he will remind you, as I'll also, about the Khilafat movement. The Khilafat movement way back in 1919 to 1924 was a movement after the World War I. It was a movement in Turkey against the Ottoman Empire, and as to how the Ottoman Empire's caliph would in fact be restored. In fact, Turkey went to become a secular country, but the Indian Muslim movement took place in 1919 and continued till 1922 or 24. Even Gandhiji fell in to support the Khilafat movement.
Okay.
Astonishingly, then in fact, Ambedkar ji had strictly and categorically criticized Mahatma Gandhi, that why should Mahatma Gandhi be supporting the Khilafat movement. Remember, Swati, 2012, Azad Maidan, we had 1 lakh Muslim participants desecrating the Jawan Jyoti, the Amar Jawan Jyoti, because some Rohingyans somewhere in Myanmar were being tortured. What has India to do with Myanmar?
Okay.
We are not
MC Abbas, respond to that. Take counters, yes,
so
MC
some
Abbas.
Rohingyan tortured there, and the Amar Jawan Jyoti desecrated here.
I've been patient over the last couple of minutes.
Kindly allow me a minute's time. First point first. What happened in France, of course, the man beheading the teacher is absolutely unfair, uncalled for. That is a very drastic act, unequivocally must and should be condemned. Yes, I do certainly agree with that. I also condemn what the teacher depicting the cartoon of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now the point here is not all of the catastrophe of sorts which is coming through. The point here is Macron's statement. Macron labeling this as a terrorist attack, Islamist terrorist attack. If you had adhered to terrorist attack, it is okay. But labeling it as Islamist is wrong. Also, as a matter of fact, Macron saying that Islam is in crisis in the world is wrong. Islam is separatism. Also, as a matter of fact, time and again, being a propagator of hate speech, bringing out Islamophobe, time and again, in his various speeches over the days, is absolutely wrong.
Can you, there has to be specific references as well. As we speak, there have to be specific references. And if we are calling out countries for Islamophobia, I think we should also not forget that there is this country called China that needs to be called out. Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Certainly, yes, Swatiji. I'm very glad that you called out for China. Yes. China, I have condemned and I will condemn for the treatment meted out.
Okay, but do tell me those Islamophobic statements that you were talking about, the specific ones, please.
Certainly, yes. Certainly, yes. When a man comes out and does a drastic act, a violent act, where is the need to bring in the whole of Islam into it? Where is the need to label it as an Islamic terror attack?
Okay, Sushil Pandit, the attack took place because the teacher shared caricature of Prophet Muhammad.
What is the need?
That's why the attack took place. Today, there are protests against the French president because he said he is going to wage a war against such an extremism. Because he said he is going to wage a war against such and what he calls is Islamic separatism. Is Islamic separatism? Is he wrong in saying that, Sushil Pandit?
Syed Abbas.
Allow me to complete my point. Sushil ji, 10 seconds please. When we all know there is no religion of a terrorist,
if I can get some peace.
The only religion of a terrorist is terrorism. Then why time and again Islam is taken here? I condemn
Sushil Pandit ji, respond to that.
Islam as terrorist.
You said Hindu terror also, but
I condemn
okay, it's fine if you say saffron terror. That's all right.
No,
yes,
I
Sushil
condemn also those who say Hindu terror.
Good sir, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Sushil Pandit, please.
I condemn those who say saffron terror.
May I now? Abbas, may I?
Yes.
May
yes,
I?
Sir.
May I? Thank you so much. So, thank you. Now, we've been for years saying that terror has no religion, terror has no faith. We have carried this burden for decades now because we are suffering from this misery for decades. Now let us get real. What happened? A teacher was beheaded. After that, a 70-year-old woman in prayer in a cathedral was pounced upon by an armed goon. How are these murders carried out? How were they beheaded? They were beheaded saying Allahu Akbar. They were beheaded to avenge the honor of the Prophet. They were beheaded out of religious zeal. These people had no personal enmity with the victims.
They were there
but there
for
are
a
reports
religious
that
cause.
those were not the
whether they
Muslim,
were right
Muslim
or
group.
wrong.
They
whether
chanted
you
Allah
condemn
Akbar,
or
but
not
they were not
condemn.
No
Muslim.
religion teaches
There are reports now.
violent
At
acts.
least hear
No
about-
religion
There are
teaches
fresh
violent
reports
acts.
that those
It's
people
absolutely
were not
unfair.
Muslims.
Let him
Let me
speak.
complete.
Yeah, let him finish his
Let me
point.
complete.
Attach it to a religion.
Okay, let him finish his point.
Connected to a religion
I did
or the
not
humanity.
interrupt
Let Mr.
you
Pandit
guys.
speak,
I
Rahmani.
did not interrupt you. I am making a very clear point. I am
That's a
making a
wrong
very
point,
clear
sir.
point and
Tell
have
me in which
patience.
religion or scriptures
You can't drown
it talks
me out.
about violence.
No, he never
The
said
point
that.
is-
He never
Please
said. One
hold
second,
your
let him
breath.
finish, please.
I kept
Arey,
quiet
Baba,
when
let
you
him
were
speak.
speaking.
Let him
Please.
finish. Go ahead, sir.
What finish?
The murderers did not
Let him
have
speak.
personal enmity with the victims. The only reason they murdered them was to avenge the honor of their prophet. That is the stated reason. Today, there are voices all over the world, including the former prime ministers, including the current president, who are supporting them tacitly. They are supporting,
Nobody's supporting
coming like a
Have you not
ton of
heard-
bricks
Nobody's
on
supporting the
President
killing.
Macron
We
and
condemn
France.
the killing.
Mr.
Why?
MC Abbas, you're talking about
Violent
yourself.
act.
Sushil
Listen,
Pandit is talking about all
I
those
know
who've
what
supported the
ritual
beheading.
killings are.
There are those who are
Who
supporting the
supported the
beheadings as
beheading?
well.
Who support which
I'm not
leader
talking
support?
Mahathir Mohammed, आपने नाम
I'm
सुना है
not
उनके?
talking
उनका
about
नाम
Mr.
सुना है आपने?
Rahmani. I am
सुनाइए नाम सुनाइए.
जी, महातिर मोहम्मद का नाम
Mahathir
आपने सुना है?
Mohammed
उनके
said you
ट्वीट्स
are
आपने
justified
देखे
to
हैं?
kill millions of Frenchmen.
I condemn Mahathir Mohammed. I condemn anybody who supports such violence.
He
Good, that's why I said you were talking
Oh,
about
you can keep
yourself.
condemning
He's
whoever.
talking
Nobody
about
cares.
all those who
Nobody
supported the
cares.
beheadings as well. There are such people who are supporting the
Those who
beheadings as
support
well, sir.
beheading, condemn
No, no,
them.
no. One second. Let me also bring in Amir Minto. Amir Minto, अगर फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति कह रहे हैं कि हमें टेररिज्म के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़नी है क्योंकि उनके देश के नागरिकों को इस तरह से स्लॉटर किया जा रहा है, तो आप उसको इस्लामोफोबिया मान के क्यों चल रहे हैं? और उन्होंने अपने पूरे स्पीच में कहीं भी प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद के खिलाफ कुछ नहीं कहा।
स्वाति जी, सबसे पहले मैं आपको मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूं। आपने इतने इंपॉर्टेंट इशू पे डिबेट किया और उससे ज्यादा मैं मुबारकबाद इसलिए देना चाहता हूं कि 150 से ज्यादा मौतें इस मुल्क में एक जानवर जिसको इंग्लिश में काऊ और हिंदी में गाय कहते हैं उसके नाम पर 150 से ज्यादा लिंचिंग्स हुई, स्लॉटरिंग हुई, उस पर आपने डिबेट आपके चैनल ने नहीं किया।
सर, उस वक्त आपने अगर टाइम्स नाउ देखा होता तो आप ये बात नहीं कह रहे होते।
इग्नोर करने के लिए
आपको टाइम्स नाउ देखना चाहिए था।
को इग्नोर करने के लिए मैं आपको और आपके चैनल
नहीं, आपको टाइम्स नाउ देखना चाहिए था। आपको टाइम्स नाउ मैं आपको मुबारकबाद देना चाहती हूँ आपके इग्नोरेंस के लिए। आपके इग्नोरेंस के लिए मैं आपको मुबारकबाद देना चाहती हूँ।
कहाँ से लाए हैं इन्हें?
विलफुली आप इग्नोरेंट हैं, उसके लिए आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं, ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको।
Let me conclude, please let
Go
me
ahead,
conclude.
go ahead. Just like you have a right to defend yourself, I have a right to defend my channel. Go ahead.
Now, please, let me conclude first. उसके बाद जयंत सिन्हा जो मर्डरर्स को उनको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, उनका वेलकम करते हैं, सुबोध कुमार जो यूपी पुलिस में थे, उनके मर्डरर्स को
उस पर भी सवाल उठाया।
उस पर कितने डिबेट आपके चैनल में किए?
आपको देखना चाहिए था। That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. आपको देखना चाहिए था। आपको देखना चाहिए था। आपको देखना चाहिए था। आपने नहीं देखा, वो आपकी गलती है। आज जो हो रहा है वो आप देख रहे हैं ना? नहीं, आज जो हो रहा है वो आप देख रहे हैं। फ्रांस में जो हुआ वो आपने देखा, भारत में जो प्रोटेस्ट हुए आपने देखा, भोपाल में जो हुआ, मुंबई में जो हुआ, उस पर अपनी राय रखिए।
जयंत सिन्हा के कारण जाके फ्रांस में गला काटा है।
नहीं, आप उस पर अपनी राय रखिए।
Yes or no?
अपनी राय रखिए। आपने आज जो भोपाल में देखा सुना, उस पर अपनी राय रखिए।
स्वाति जी, मैं ही आ जाता हूँ। ये
ठीक है।
तो गला ही काट के रख देते हैं। अब मैं ही रख देता हूँ अपना विषय।
संबित पात्रा
Sambit ji, allow me.
जी बताइए।
Sambit ji, allow me.
जी बताइए।
बताइए।
The point here is
I mean, just
Yes or
Swati,
no?
just look at the ridiculousness of this debate. I mean, we have people over here connecting the French terrorist act with Jayant Sinha and with cow.
Christian brothers.
I mean, because of Jayant Sinha garlanding someone and because of cow, in fact, people were butchering innocent citizens in France. I mean, look at the level of intelligence of these people. I mean, they've totally lost it, and I really feel feel ashamed that I have
आमिर
to
मिंटो
debate
मैं
with these
आपको एक
people.
और मौका
अब यहाँ
दूंगी,
verbal
एक और
terrorism
मौका
मत करिए
आमिर
और
जी मैं
ध्यान से
आपको दे
सुनिए।
रही हूँ, एक
नहीं,
और मौका मैं आपको दे रही हूँ।
हाँ,
फ्रांस में जो हुआ आमिर जी,
इनको मौका
उसके
दीजिएगा,
बाद
अभी सुन लीजिए।
भोपाल में जो
हाँ,
प्रोटेस्ट
अभी सुन
हुआ,
लीजिए।
जो बातें कही कांग्रेस के एमएलए ने, मुंबई में जो हुआ, ये जो प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं
जी
और जो फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति ने कही है बात,
जी
उसको आप इस्लामोफोबिया कैसे टर्म कर रहे हैं ये समझाइए और इस मुद्दे पर अपनी राय रखिए।
मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपसे एक चीज कहूंगा, सबसे पहले तो आप ये क्लियर कर लें कि आप जो पूछना चाह रही हैं वो प्रोटेस्ट के अगेंस्ट पूछना चाह रही हैं या जो उनका स्टेटमेंट है।
ये जो इंटरकनेक्टेड चीजें अगर आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, अगर ये इंटरकनेक्टेड चीजें आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं तो उसमें मेरी गलती नहीं है। आप शुरुआत से बताइए मुझे, आप मुझे शुरुआत से बताइए। आप इमैनुअल मैक्रोन के स्टेटमेंट पर भी बात कीजिए, आप आरिफ मसूद ने जो कहा उस पर भी बात कीजिए।
अरे वो सब समझते हैं, वो सब वो सारा कुछ समझते हैं। हम ही लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, वो सब समझते हैं।
अगर कोई भी काम, कोई भी इंसान कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ के होते हुए लॉ को अपने हाथ में ले रहा है, मैं उसको कंडेम करता हूं। चाहे वो मैक्रोन हो, चाहे वो मुस्लिम मर्डरर हो, और चाहे वो जयंत सिन्हा हो, और चाहे वो संबित पात्रा जी को और कोई अजीज हो, और चाहे वो सुबोध कुमार के मर्डरर्स को फूल माला पहनाने वाले लोग हो, मैं सबको कंडेम करता हूं।
Swati, I really need to come in over here. Swati, I really need to come in over here. This is a serious issue. I mean, this cannot be denigrated into the kind of debate this man is having in this channel over here. I mean, Swati, look. I mean, look at these people. He condemns, but the condemnation begins with the name of the French president first, Jayant Sinha second, Kao third, and lastly he talks about the murderers and the terrorists in France.
आमिर मिंटो, आप मेरा डिबेट डिरेल करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। मैंने आपको आखिरी मौका एक दिया था। शादाब चौहान के पास में अब मैं जाना चाहूंगी। शादाब चौहान, आपकी आवाज पहले ठीक से हम तक पहुंच नहीं पा रही थी, अगर आप पहुंच पा रही है तो आप बताइए। शादाब चौहान, अगर आप तक मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है, हम भी कोशिश करेंगे आपको ठीक से सुनने की। अगर वो हो पा रहा है तो आप मुझे बताइए, ये जो आमिर मिंटो मुद्दा उठा रहे हैं, ये एक स्टैंड लेने से बच रहे हैं आज।
नहीं मैडम, ये बहुत ही स्पष्ट है। हमारा स्टैंड बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति कर सकती है तो हमके कोई कार्टून बनाएगा या उनकी बेइज्जती करेगा तो इस देश का है, पूरी दुनिया का मुसलमान किसी कीमत से बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। और टेररिज्म को बढ़ाने के लिए तो फ्रांस जिम्मेदार है। समर्थन करके आतंकवाद का समर्थन किया है, क्योंकि आतंकवाद वहां पर
justifying a terror attack on television channel, Swati. You have to stop this.
No, I want to first listen to what he's saying completely. I want to first listen to what he's completely saying. Let him expose himself. Let him expose what he stands for, and then I'll counter him. Go ahead, Shadab Chauhan. बताइए, अपनी पूरी बात रखिए।
No, but people get radicalized hearing this.
अगर श्री राम के खिलाफ कोई कुछ कहेगा, ये मैं पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ, अगर कोई श्री राम के खिलाफ कुछ कहता है, किसी हिंदू देवी देवता के खिलाफ कुछ कहता है, तो एक कोर्ट है हमारे देश में, आप वहां जाइए। मैंने ये भी कहा कि पहले भी ऐसे इंसिडेंसेस हो चुके हैं, उनको भी कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया गया है, उनको भी कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया गया है। रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स अगर हर्ट हो रहे हैं, आप कंडेम कीजिए, लेकिन आप रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स के हर्ट होने के बदले क्या आप ये कह रहे हैं कि सड़क पर किसी का गला काट देना चाहिए? आप ये कह रहे हैं कि आपका रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट हर्ट हुआ है, इसीलिए आप सड़क पर किसी का गला काट देंगे? किसका गला काटा? नहीं, आमिर मिंटो किसका गला काट रहे हैं? किसका गला काट रहे हैं मुझे बताइए। There is a court of law in this country. Everybody has a right to go and approach the courts. Take these cases to the courts. किसका गला काटा है? दिन दहाड़े किसका गला काटा जा रहा है?
150 से ज्यादा लोग,
Swati, we should show no tolerance towards these people. They are justifying ISIS actions.
Here is the list.
Amir Minto, you don't have answers to my questions tonight. आप स्टैंड लेने से आज इस पर बच रहे हैं, इसीलिए आप तमाम तरह की चीजों को बीच में लेकर के आ रहे हैं। सुशील पंडित, आप बहुत शांति से ये पूरी बहस को सुन रहे हैं, आप पूरी बहस को बहुत शांति से सुन रहे हैं। आपने दोनों तरफ को सुना और लोगों को थोड़ी सी हिचकिचाहट भी नहीं हो रही है आज इस बिहेडिंग को और जो वायलेंस हो रहा है उसको सपोर्ट करने में।
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, बिहेडिंग इस्लाम के नाम पर हो या जानवर के नाम
लेकिन
पर,
स्वाति जी दिक्कत यही है काटने के मुतरादिफ था, अब वो भी आइडियोलॉजिकल था, कोई पर्सनल एनिमिटी नहीं थी गोडसे की गांधी जी से। इसमें
आप गोडसे और गांधी जी को ले आए इस डिबेट में।
मुनाफिकत और पाखंड देखिए, आप
बताइए ना, गोडसे ने आइडियोलॉजिकली, सुशील पंडित जी कह रहे थे कि आइडियोलॉजिकल है, कोई पर्सनल एनिमिटी नहीं है।
बस
ये बात
खाली आतंकवाद के खिलाफ नहीं बोलना है, बाकी दुनिया, बाकी सब कुछ के बारे में बोलना है।
पर्सनल एनिमिटी की वजह से नहीं,
तो
look at the hypocrisy of these people. They go to any extent to justify.
ठीक है, सुशील पंडित जवाब दे रहे हैं आपका। टी रहमानी जी, सुशील पंडित जवाब दे रहे हैं।
These kind of people to spread radicalization.
सुशील पंडित जवाब दे रहे हैं आपका। टी रहमानी
आज इस मुल्क में रूल कर रही है।
टी रहमानी सुनिए, जवाब सुनिए।
एक गांधी वध से आप क्या क्या जस्टिफाई?
ये हमारी आइडियोलॉजी के कारण वहां पे beheading हुआ है। रहमानी जी, शर्म करिए, चुल्लू में पानी में डूबिए जाके।
एक गांधी वध से आप मुंबई के ब्लास्ट जस्टिफाई करेंगे? एक गांधी वध से आप पूरी नस्ल को
पर 30,000 लोग
करेंगे? क्या क्या जस्टिफाई करेंगे?
आइडियोलॉजिकल किए गए, किसी की
एक गांधी वध से आप क्या क्या जस्टिफाई करेंगे?
30,000 मतलब क्या बोल रहे हैं? यहाँ पर आतंकवाद को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आप हिंदू बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आप अभी डिबेट के आरंभ में बोल रहे थे इस्लामिक आतंकवाद होता नहीं है, और अभी आप यहाँ हिंदुओं को आतंकवादी बोले जा रहे हैं।
रामचंद्र जी के
अभी आप हिंदुओं को आतंकवादी बोले जा रहे हैं। ये हिंदू जाके गला काट रहे थे फ्रांस में, ये हिंदुओं ने गला काटा फ्रांस में। क्या बोले जा रहे हैं आप?
किसने नहीं
भगवान
काटा?
राम के नाम पे गला काटा गया फ्रांस में। चुल्लू भर पानी में डूबिए जाके रहमानी जी।
Okay, let me bring in Shahzad Poonawala and then I want to go first to MC Abbas. What we are debating tonight is a call that has been given against radicalism and Islamic separatism, which is being called Islamophobia. और उस पर सीधा जवाब नहीं आ रहा है, इसीलिए बहुत सारे मुद्दों को घसीटा जा रहा है डिबेट में।
Swati, if I may, please. Swati, there are 3 quick points I want to make, and I request all my fellow panelists, if we all speak together, none can be heard. We'll all complete our points in 20 seconds. Please, let's have a sane debate. 3 points quickly in 20 seconds. Point number 1. Here, some people, instead of unequivocally condemning terror, have justified terror, saying कि prophet का cartoon बनाया तो गला काटना जायज़ है. They are drawing false equivalence with cow. They are the same liberal lobby which says that beef eating should be a freedom of speech, but making cartoon can attract punishment of beheading. And third and last point, why is Congress always sleeping with the Islamic fundamentalists? From Shah Banu case to triple talaq to now supporting these kinds of terrorists who are saying that it is justified to kill a person because he made a cartoon? If that is so, then MF Hussain should have been beheaded. Should people be beheaded because they abused Ram Mandir? I have one panelist who has abused Ram Mandir also on this panel. So should we start beheading all of them? Did Hindus go around beheading people? What kind of nonsense? And sorry, Shadab Chauhan, you have said you have justified ISIS-style terror. You should apologize unequivocally. This is not a platform to spread terror. This is not Peace TV.
Ignited by the ideologues, and those ideologues who are ruling the country now.
It was the same lady who once did not
Okay, let MC Abbas finish. Okay, let MC Abbas finish. I'll come to you.
To this, and I really see
Dr. Rahmani, let MC Abbas finish.
number of times on the
Allow me
BJP
to finish,
government.
sir.
I need
Okay, one by one. MC Abbas.
Allow me to finish, sir. So there is this quick
One by
anecdote.
one.
When a prophet used to pass by, there was a lady who used to throw garbage at him. There was one day when she did not do so. So our Prophet Muhammad went to her place and checked on her well-being. That is a character of our Prophet Muhammad.
But nobody is questioning the character of Prophet Muhammad. Hello, excuse me.
Tell it to Arif
No,
Masood.
nobody is questioning the character of Prophet Muhammad, sir. Nobody is questioning. I am 1 second. But nobody is questioning his character.
Oh my God, can you allow me to complete my point, please? That is a true Muslim. Those who behead, those who do terror attacks, they are not Muslims. Those who do not follow my Prophet Muhammad are not Muslim, and they must and should be condemned. That is my point. According to Quran and Islam, you take one life, it is like killing the whole of humanity. You save one life, it is saving the whole of humanity. That is Islam. And those Islamophobes who go about saying
Then why is Congress not kicking out Arif Masood?
Islam is separatism are wrong. They are Islamophobes. They fear Islam. They have a problem with Islam. They are the ones who want the violence.
What
to
happened
come out.
in France?
They are the ones
No,
who
what
want
happened in
Congress
France?
not
Kicking out Arif
What
Masood
happened
who
in
puts
France?
Sharia about
The
Ramadan.
attacks, the beheadings, what were those?
I want to
What were
ask
those?
this glimpse
And if a
about
president
one
gives a call
Freedom
against
of
that
speech
and
is
talks
not
about
absolute.
waging a war against that,
Freedom
you're
of
calling him an
speech
Islamophobe.
does not allow
You're
you
calling him an
to
Islamophobe.
depict a religion
You're calling
or
him an
religious
Islamophobe
act
because he's
as a
waging a
cartoon.
war against radicalism.
freedom
Is he
of
an
speech
Islamophobe?
is not absolute, ma'am.
Is he
You
an
cannot
Islamophobe? Why is he an
decree our
Islamophobe?
prophet. We
Just
have
because
the
he's
right to
assuring his
protest.
citizens that he will
We
not
will
allow this,
peacefully
that he will
protest.
not tolerate this, that he will not bow
We will
down before this.
peacefully protest.
He's an Islamophobe
Freedom
according to
of
you.
speech, according to Macron, does not, it's not absolute.
Hello.
Dr.
You
Rahmani.
cannot
When there was a terrorist attack on
you cannot
Paris some years
denigrate
back,
Islam or
132
Hindus or Jews,
people were
anybody.
killed in that unfortunate
speech is not
attack.
absolute.
But in response to that attack, they announced that they will attack the at Mosul ISIS hideout, but they did not dismantle the ISIS hideout. Rather, they killed more than 1,000 people, the civilian people, and ISIS headquarters were there itself intact. So that kind of France, that kind of president is ruling.
Did you
over
ever
there.
speak a word against
For
China, which killed millions of
132
Muslims?
people,
Rahmani.
they killed more than 1,000 people, and that too innocent people, not the ISIS people. We are against
This is
ISIS.
exactly what
We want to
Mahathir Mohamad
dismantle.
had
We want
said.
to finish the ISIS.
Closing comments,
They are
closing
we are
comments
providing
from
platform
Sambit
to people
Patra
who
and
are
Sushil Pandit. I have to
justifying
wrap up.
terrorism.
Did not
Okay,
attack
closing
the
comments. 10 seconds to you, Sambit Patra, and 10 seconds to Sushil Pandit.
See, Swati, in fact, people over here are trying their best to justify the killing of innocent people, the terrorist act in France. I mean, over here we had Mr. Rahmani right now pointing out that just because the thousands of civilians were killed because there was bombing in Afghanistan, Syria, etc. So whatever is happening is justified. This is exactly what the former Malaysian Prime Minister has said, that since thousands of people have died in the past, now thousands of French people should also die.
Okay.
And I'm astonished that some people who are totally
Okay, last
justifying
10 seconds.
terrorist attack.
Last
Shame on them.
10 seconds to Sushil Pandit.
Every killing, I've condemned even a single killing of a person. But I'm telling
Swati, it is incontrovertible that the murders that took place, you see, it's very clear that today the Muslim mobs protesting are not protesting against dishonor. They are not protesting against the abuse of Islam in order to kill these innocents. They are not protesting against abusing of Islam. They should be in the forefront of protesting the abuse of Islam, abuse of Allahu Akbar, abuse of the name of Prophet to kill innocents. That they are not doing. They are manufacturing a grievance and come out in the streets. That is what we must object to.
Absolutely. I am going to wrap up the debate on that note. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us. Thank you. Thank you to the viewers as well.
The News Hour at 9.